IT Expo Miami 2009.
Hi, Eric Lanask coming to you live from the IT Expo show floor here in Miami, Florida. We're here day 3 of IT Expo East Miami 2009, and I'm here with Ruth Bridger, who's the VP of Marketing at Xorcom. Welcome, Ruth.
Thank you, Eric.
Glad to have you here at the show. It's been an exciting 2 days so far, and I anticipate another exciting third day. How's it been over in the Asterisk Pavilion?
It's been great. We've had a lot of very qualified booth traffic, and we took advantage of the opportunity to be here at the Expo to convene a partners meeting. A lot of our worldwide distribution channel is located in Latin America, and as you know, this is quite a draw for the Latin American market, so it's been great. Fantastic.
Well, we'll get right to the point. You're holding one of your boxes. Why don't you tell me a little bit about it?
Okay. At Xorcom, we develop Asterisk-based hardware platforms for telephony purposes. The box that I'm holding in my hand is an Asterisk, which is a USB-connected channel bank. And what it does is it provides additional telephony interfaces for an existing PBX system that's based on Asterisk. And the unit that I'm holding in my hand has 4 PRI slots. Those are for T1s or E1s. And 8 analog ports. These could be FXS or FXO. And then there are other slots that we just haven't populated. As you can see, a single chassis, which is 19-inch rack mountable or wall mountable, can hold up to 32 different ports. So it's quite a high-density solution. In addition, these units can be stacked and to service a single PBX. And as I mentioned before, it's all done via USB 2 connection. The USB connection is very high bandwidth, that's 480 megabits per second, and it's very reliable and stable. And of course, it's an external solution, so to expand an existing system, it's very simple. You don't have to open the PC or look for another PCI slot. You can just plug in via the USB port, the Asterisk. We also have a line of IP PBX devices. They're basically using the same technology, USB 2, and the difference in those chassis are that they contain a main board that already houses the Asterisk software, and so you've got a standalone PBX solution in a single chassis. And then of course the Asterisk connects to those units to extend even that system even more.
What was the draw for you going to working with that Asterisk?
Xorcom was established in 2004 based only on the Asterisk open source. We really like the idea of an open source platform. The founders of the company come from telecommunications base, and so it was a very appealing situation where our developers could be part of an international community. And we like the flexibility and the adaptability of the platform.
You mentioned the draw here in Miami is you've got a sizable customer base in Latin America. What's the draw in the Latin American market? I mean, there's been a lot of attention focused on IP-based communications out of that region.
Yeah, it turns out that in Latin America, open source is not a dirty word, for corporate. And let's just say that they're not as conservative as perhaps the U.S. market regarding telecommunications. So they're willing to be the early adopters, and because of systems like ours, which allow true hybrid communications in the company between the PSTN and the IP, it's a very easy migration path.
Good. I know that you guys are doing a demo here on the show floor of the product. Is there somewhere online people can go to see something similar?
Yes, we've published on YouTube actually the same demonstration that we're showing here in the Digium Theater. And the demonstration that we're doing is based on a very new product that we've launched called the Twinstar. For commercial installations, the idea of high availability is very central in a telecommunications network. And we've solved the problem of high availability with this product called Twinstar. And it's a very simple concept. The setup is two identical PBX servers connected by a single Asterisk channel bank. And in this model, you can see there are two USB ports. So one USB is connected to the primary server, and the other USB is to the backup server. And the unit contains firmware that is constantly monitoring the status of the primary server. And when it detects that the primary server has gone down, it automatically switches all of the communications to the backup server. And that includes the telephony interfaces as well. Anyone speaking at that time, when the server goes down, the call will be dropped, but within 7 seconds, as you'll see in the demo, the lines are reestablished based on the backup server. So this is an almost instantaneous way to salvage, the telecommunications in a company if for some reason the server goes down.
That's fantastic, and certainly there's a big need for that, big concern for that anyway. Hopefully not as much a need.
Yeah.
But we've been talking with Ruth Bridger from Xorcom here at IT Expo in Miami, Florida. Thanks for joining me, Ruth.
Thank you, Eric.